AI tools in TINA. Creating a quiz using AI. Creating a quiz using the Hartley Oscillator circuit in TINA. TINA AI helps you create quizzes for any circuit. Just provide the circuit name for well-known ones, or add a title and description for less familiar circuits. AI analyzes your request and provides a detailed summary of your learning progress. In the following, we will describe the steps of a quiz in TINA. Note that questions are generated randomly, so even if you try the same circuit, you will likely encounter different questions. In the AI Assistant dialog, enter, load a Hartley oscillator. The Hartley Oscillator circuit is loaded. Now enter, create a quiz. The first group of questions will appear. Again, questions are generated randomly, so you'll likely encounter different questions each time you analyze the same circuit. Upon selecting the correct answer, the following screen will be displayed. That is, the AI confirms your answer is correct and summarizes the reason why. The next question will be like this is shown on the screen. Question 2. What is the primary purpose of the feedback network in a Hartley oscillator? If you select an incorrect answer, e.g., A, the AI system will automatically identify the mistake and provide you with the correct response. It will also offer a clear explanation, helping you understand the underlying concepts and reasoning behind the correct solution. To listen to the answer aloud, click the Aloud checkbox.
The correct answer is indeed A, a sine wave. In a Hartley oscillator, the output waveform is typically a sinusoidal sine wave due to the nature of the LC tank circuit and the feedback mechanism. The Hartley oscillator is often used as a stable source of a sine wave signal in electronic circuits. Well done!
After answering 5 questions, the evaluation of the session follows.
End of session evaluation. You scored 4 out of 5, which is an excellent score. You demonstrated a good understanding of Hartley oscillators, including their configuration, operation, and characteristics. Keep up the great work. Would you like to start test again or stop?
For more information, visit our website at tina.com. Visit our YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/Tina Design Suite.